Today I am going to share with you 7 benefits of lime essential oil. Hi Katie, here from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I am excited to be sharing with you one of the freshest, sweetest smelling essential oils, lime. The first benefit of lime essential oil is that it is energizing. I really like this oil because I have a major sweet tooth, and this oil is very sweet and gives you energy just like candy. Another great way to use lime essential oil is in your cleaning products. Lemon essential oil is really popular for that, but if that smell is too strong for you, lime is a great replacement. Lime is also good at fighting infections. You can make a compress with tea tree essential oil and apply it to the affected area to help fight infections. This oil also supports digestion and reduces nausea, so when you're feeling sick, you can diffuse this oil to help calm down those symptoms. Lime essential oil can help fight cellulite and improve the appearance of skin. We have a clay mask recipe that we'll link to below to make your face be glowing. Lime essential oil can help clear congestion, so if you are suffering from allergies or a cold, you can diffuse this oil or make a roll-on like this lime and eucalyptus roll-on to help soothe congestion and give you energy. Lime has a citrus aroma. It blends well with other citrus oils like orange and lemon. It also blends well with spicy oils like cinnamon and nutmeg. You can also use it with eucalyptus, like in these shower steamers. We'll link to the recipe below. You just pop one in your shower and the steam will carry up the aroma and help relieve congestion. The main natural chemical that occurs in lime essential oil is limonene. Limonene is how we know this oil is so good at what it does. It occurs naturally in lime essential oil and has a variety of therapeutic actions that we know it's good at, like activating white blood cells, relieving pain, being antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, and more. If you want to know more about what limonene does, check out our blog post in the description box. My favorite thing about lime essential oil is its sweet aroma. It helps satisfy my sweet tooth without sneaking into our secret candy stash. Lime essential oil is unlikely to cause skin irritations when it's diluted properly. We have links to recipes in the description box where we've already diluted the oil for you. But if you want to know more about diluting this oil, make sure you check out the dilution chart in the description box. This essential oil is phototoxic, which means it can make you more likely to get sunburned if you go outside after using this oil on the skin. So avoid direct sunlight if you've put this oil on your skin. This essential oil is best used for kids aged 10 and up. Cats generally don't like the smell of citrus oils. So if you diffuse this oil, make sure your cat can leave the room. Otherwise, don't diffuse it. This oil is unlikely to cause any adverse reactions in a dog, but you always want to be mindful of your pet's behavior. And if your dog seems to be in any discomfort, get them outside or out of the room. Thanks for watching and learning more about lime essential oil. I'm excited to hear about how you're using this oil. To make sure you don't miss out on any videos like this one, make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.